Well, good morning. It's time for another call. We're going to go take care of another kitchen sink. It just seems like it's the week of kitchen sinks this week. Oh well, take what you can. So we're going down to Conway, New Hampshire. We're going to take care of kitchen sink drain. There was a plumber who was there who referred us to do that. So he says that it's full of grease. So we're going to go down there and we're going to that pipe right open. So stay tuned and we'll get to it.
How are we doing?
Doing good. Gonna get a small video clip of me working.
The what?
Just doing a small video clip of me working.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Nice.
Advertise social media wherever you can.
Oh my God, that's a good idea.
Yep. Try to make it interesting. So far, yes. Then we use this line coming across this way here, short run. Not a lot of room down here. So let's move this. And then let's flip this around. So that's up where we were working. And that's going across there. It's a sweep 90 behind that box. And over there, all these other drains coming down here were working just fine. So I sent it all the way over to where it connects into that main. Ran that all the way back. And then up. And from the downstairs down. So That grease is cleared. Now we're gonna go upstairs and test run it. This is what grease does to your pipes. Just try not to put your grease down your drains. Wipe your pots and pans and dishes down and try to reduce the amount of grease. There's the whirlpool. We keep New Hampshire flowing. Oh hey, so what did we learn from this one? Don't dump your grease down the drain. Get you every single time. Make sure you fill your sink. Drain it every now and then. Don't just rely on your dishwasher for getting all that grease and everything out. And if possible, scrape out your pans, your dishes, or wipe them out and try to get that grease out of there. That was a relatively short run line with a lot of grease in it. So, it's Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We keep New Hampshire flowing in. Guess we'll see you on the next call. If you like the videos, like and subscribe. I think we're around 469 right now for subscribers. So we're growing, and I appreciate everybody who goes on there and subscribes to our channel. So we'll see you out there on the next one.